What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back on the video. We're at the flea market and we're gonna be hopefully finding some treasure. Obviously that's what we're looking for, but today we also did some pretty crazy stuff. We did a crazy show, probably our biggest show to date. How much you ask on the PlayStation? 40? Yeah, I'll do 40. Alright guys, we bought something already. It's in questionable condition, I guess, but yeah, we have another one of these. The backwards compatible PS3. We paid 40 bucks for it. How much you asked on your Xbox?
$10. It's not complete, that's why.
Yeah, I get it.
It's 10 bucks.
I think I honestly might have the cores. I might just do it.
I bring change, so. Oh, you got it.
I only have 8 bucks in cash. Do you have?
I'll take 8 for it.
You said thank you, man. I didn't get more cash.
That's fine. I'm trying to get rid of stuff.
All right, guys, we are literally out of cash, so we're gonna, try to go to the ATM right now. I know there's a gas station next to us, but this middle place might have an ATM. It probably won't, but I'm just like hoping for the best because if this place has an ATM, that'd be dope. Like, it would have had an ATM this whole time and I just didn't know. They do have an ATM, guys. Luckily, they did have an ATM, so let's pull out 100 bucks real quick. I don't think I'll spend much more than 100 bucks today. I mean, we'll see though. Hopefully I do that. Let's come back. We're talking about a jewelry show we're doing today at 11 o'clock, which really doesn't really matter if I tell you guys the time. It's already gonna pass when I post the video, but we'll be doing a jewelry show. It's gonna be like $25,000 worth of jewelry, literally. What's up with that? How much you do on the games?
It depends.
All right.
I'll start with 20. You can negotiate.
All right. You know, if you have some of these games like this one's
Whatever. Say that again.
You know, if you have some of the games like this one's not in here and stuff.
Nah, I mean that's
okay.
all. Yeah, whatever you can find, man.
Dang. All right. There's always like music playing somewhere, so I can't really have music when I'm recording stuff. And there's so much footage I like kind of just lose because of music. I'll show you guys like some footage of our jewelry show we'll have today, I guess. We have some nice pieces, literally like something like that, but like real gold. What's up, man?
100%.
Selling some cookies?
Oh, no, I'm good. No,
Dang, alright.
right?
You know how much you asked on your Xbox?
Oh, so I'm trying to sell that and all the video games as a bundle.
Alright, alright.
I could do probably like 80 for everything.
Alright. Little bowling ball for
Yeah,
me.
we both. Isn't that so cool?
Yeah, I've never seen that. I've seen like the steering wheel and stuff.
I did
but...
see the steering wheels, yeah, and the little controllers, but never have I seen that. If you really want to do, I'll probably do like 60 on that.
Yeah,
you know?
They didn't make a lot of them,
all right.
so it's really
Yeah.
hard to find. I bet. Yeah,
I'll be back around.
Find them. I
guess those are probably the equivalent to like a PS4, I'm guessing. We're looking for like hollows. Like, okay, I think that's a hollow. That one might be. It's a pretty good binder, definitely. They're all vintage. That's what you're looking for, like the 1990s and stuff. It's a pretty decent binder though. I'm not sure what the price is at because I don't know how much these ones are worth. I don't know what these are worth at all.
I didn't have time at all yesterday, last night.
But I would definitely say like look this one up in specific. How much you asked on your Xbox, man?
They've been offered.
You know if you got like the power cord for it or?
I seen some cable that goes to it.
I usually have power cords for these, but I don't have this one.
No, I think I only got this.
Oh, okay, all right. How much for the Wii with it? I got you, man. Thank you, man. No cords for the Wii as well?
Just that charger right there if you want to take it.
We have 2 consoles to test now, 2 more. Alright, it's getting a bit later in the day, so hopefully we can find some stuff, but it might be nearing the end of our flea market journey for the day. We found our 4 consoles, so I'm pretty I'm happy. I'm happy. None of them had cords. Like, they never have cords. So luckily I do have my own cords to test these all. If I didn't, of course, like, I wouldn't really buy these. But again, I paid up slightly on everything today. Like, I paid 30 for these two in my hand, and then 48. So I paid 78 bucks in total. But again, that backwards compatible PS3 will pay for it all. So it's not really too bad.
You selling them?
Oh, yeah, I just bought these.
I have some. How much you pay?
Any cords for it?
Of course, I have everything.
I
have all consoles. How much you sell for?
Yeah, I paid 10 bucks for this one just now. Oh, I paid 20 for this Xbox. How much you asking on your Xbox?
20 bucks.
Let's go all the cords.
And all the cords should be like the two controllers. I think I might.
What you asking on this too?
20 bucks on the Game Boy.
Is that how much?
40 at work.
Oh, it's pretty dope. Most of the ones I buy don't have cords.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it, man. Can you carry those two for me real quick?
It's gonna cost you, dude.
Put like a chip in there and you put games on it.
Yeah, you can do that.
But
Yeah.
you can still like mod it or whatever they call it.
Yeah.
But you can still play regular Wii games.
Exactly,
right?
yeah.
If you sold me like 5 or 10 of those, like all high grade with all the controllers and everything, I'll bring them out next week maybe. We'll see.
Yeah, I'll
bring those out, man.
Bring them out, man. I'm here.
I'll be here next Saturday.
I'm here every week, man. I'll be here.
I'll be here next Saturday.
That's dope, man. I'm guessing 200 watts. How much you asking on your PS4?
200 everything, okay?
How much you doing on your PlayStation 4 over there?
80 complete. Or just the box 60.
How much you asking on your PlayStation 4?
120.
Yes. Over here.
120.
All right. How much you doing on the Xbox?
35.
You know if it works?
Oh yeah, practically new, hardly used. Bought it for my grandkids when they used to visit, but they never.
Yeah, really?
So finally I just pull in, plug it.
How much for the PSP?
PSP is $60 was 4 p.m.
How much you asking like the Wii systems? You get a couple of them.
40 each. They work really good.
All right. All right, guys, we're leaving the flea market now. It's time to go back to the warehouse. We got to pack real quick. And then we also have to get ready for our show. We have a big jewelry show today. And I'll show you guys what we're selling. But we sold about 160 products of jewelry. Stuff like this. Look at this. Whew. Look at all of this, guys. And I don't know if he actually wants to say, but how much do we sell today, Dad?
15,800.
How do you feel about that show, Dad?
I'm definitely content. I'm definitely content. We gave a lot of deals. We gave a lot of gold under scrap, but a lot of pieces that were valuable. I think it's weird. I think people paid fair for some Bakelite, even though we sold like a $300 bracelet for say 80 bucks. That's not as bad as selling scrap gold for under scrap, but I don't know. We did 15,800 in a matter of 3.5 hours. I'm definitely not going to complain. We have all that to go.
All right, the red light turns on, so at least should hopefully turn on, correct? Oh, okay, there we go. It turned on and then it stopped. All right, so that might be an issue. I don't think this plate, yeah, it doesn't work. There's probably some sort of hard drive issue with it. So, I mean, I'll definitely have to do something to fix it. I'm not sure what yet, though, guys. All right, we got it all plugged in and stuff. I don't even know how to work this thing, really. Oh, okay. There we go. It's turned on. That's actually dope. I've never watched this thing turn on before. It works. It puts us straight to the, like, setting a time and a date. It goes straight to 2001, guys. Isn't that crazy? Is there a game in here? Ooh. Okay, there we go. I hit it and then it worked. It still comes out. See, it comes out sometimes, but sometimes it doesn't. Slight issue, but it still works. And that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this far. If you're watching this far, it means you watched the whole video. Thank you so much for that. I really do appreciate that.